area, but you are going to be able to see what they're going to do with this amazing ice, block of ice actually, okay? So you're going to see, you're going to take some pictures, you're allowed to take some pictures, there's going to be a lot of things happening with this beautiful ice, and you're going to see at the end what it's going to be. Okay, I'm going to go around each one and we're going to probably guess what they're going to make. Even I don't even know what they're going to make. Each one is always different, and each one that makes the sculpture of ice does their own creativity, okay? So where you're sitting right now is perfect. If you just came, you can take one of the seats here. They're going to block this area just for safety reasons, because if you touch it, you're not allowed to touch it, of course, because it is bridges in between, and it is going to start shortly in the next 5 minutes, okay? Roughly around 6 minutes or so, but already going deep there. Oh wow. What do you think it's going to be? Eagle. Okay, that's a good start already. What do you think it's going to be? An eagle as well. Okay. Ma'am, what do you think it's going to be? An elephant. Okay. Let's see. Alright, let's find out from here. What do you think it's going to be? A swan, okay. Alright, that's a good start as well. What do you think it's going to be? A donkey, okay. Alright, I like it as well. A dolphin. Oh, okay. That could also possibly happen. A dolphin. He's going down to the pieces to make the foundation of his masterpiece here. Ice, baby. Let's keep going. Alright, I'm going to find out from this side, what do they think it's going to be? I'll be on my side here. Alright, since you're in the front row, what do you think it's going to be? An Indian head, okay. What else? A seahorse, okay. That could also possibly be a seahorse. Ship wheel, okay, could be a very specific wheel, like a ship wheel. An anchor, okay, that's very good. So think of something out of the box of ship creation. A mermaid, what else? Ice cube, okay. Let's see that one. Anything else? Angel face, okay. And it could be a fish maybe. From my side it could be a dolphin. I feel like it's a dolphin. Let's see, it's keeping on going. Let's see for the next 3 minutes what is going to start coming out with these beautiful creations. Wow, there's the detail. Audience, still give him a round of applause. He's doing such an amazing job. I would not even be able to do that. The talent he has is absolutely amazing. Let's see, the face is starting to have some beautiful creature or creation here. Everyone's now saying swan, okay? Could be, let's see. Or it could be a parrot, I don't know, let's see. to think if it's a donkey, but I don't think so. No, it's going another way. Let's go in the middle a little bit here. I'm going to go in the middle here. See another picture here. Oh my goodness, look at that. I feel it's starting to become a certain bird or, yeah. Who thinks it's a swan? Pick up your hands. Okay. Who thinks it's a parrot? A canary bird, no. Tweety, no. I'm gonna have to wait, he's gonna go down more into the face and detail more. So make sure you got your phones out to take a beautiful picture here.
I think it's a swan.
Sharper, the texture is changing. Let's see. You're doing an amazing job. Wow, very good. Hello, hi Shannon.
Hello, so I'm interrupting ice target to let you know that from the ship race, we do have a winning team with a total of 22 points. They got everything on the list and they were the first back. It is Team SC! Yeah! You're also involved with a beautiful free limited edition souvenir Carnival medallion. Nicely done. One more time for SV and for all of our participating teams. Thank you so much.
Once again, give everyone a round of applause to Shannon, our winners. Thank you, Shannon. Oh my goodness, see what's happening now after 2 minutes. All right, we're gonna have to wait and see if it's an eagle or a swan or another bird creature.
I'll let you go down and take a picture.
Angel, could be an angel.
Will
Okay,
they?
that's just a beautiful
After it's all
angel.
over with? Okay.
Look at those wings. Wow. I'm curious of what he's going to do with the texture of the wings. We're going to have to find out. And lucky it's not too, like the sun is not too strong, so at least the ice can still be there to let him do his creativity, which is awesome. So it's not going to melt too quick.
Yep. She gave me my shoes, I gave me one scale.
Look how much ice is already on the floor. Can you imagine? Wow. It's amazing.
Let me show you.
Be careful there if you need to move a little bit back.
He's trying to wake up. Yeah, he is.
Ooh, here we go. The texture of the wings. Yay!
He took all of our animals that we had been saving and
Check out those wings, everyone. Nice, all the way.
oh, that's good. Look at that.
texture, look what he's doing. Like that's amazing. Ooh. Okay, making each side the texture more sharper. Oh, we're getting some strong wings here. Now we go into the face. Let's see what kind of face he's going to make to give more of that identification. Just how quick he does it, it's insane. And then he can do it with his eyes closed. Good texture, very good. Alright, he's done, sir. What is it? What is your creation that everyone can clarify? It is a swan! Yes! Give him a round of applause, everyone! He did it less like, oh my gosh, only in 15 minutes. Give him a round of applause! That was insane! He made an ice sculpture which is beautiful, our beautiful swans. If you all can.
Dr. B here. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and you mean everything to this channel. We appreciate it.